Oh God, I'm...
Is
Shit.
Slender
What am I
Man
doing?
coming for you?
No, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what happened for a minute. God, 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 so help me. I'm freaking the fuck out right now.
Is it getting staticky yet?
No. Is there supposed to be a heartbeat in the background? I think so.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think it's part of it. I'm not sure. That music, though.
You look like you're about to cry.
Little.
And this is her reaction of Slender Man.
Oh my God.
Would you like to say some words?
I heard the music, man. I heard the music.
Is that all you have to say, ma'am?
Oh God.
At least you're still alive.
I'm gonna cry. Goodbye, Slenderman. I'm not for you anymore.
And that's the end, guys.